I, Anand Jain from Hanumangarh, Rajasthan, welcomes you to your favorite Shridevi Classes YouTube channel. On 23rd March, we are celebrating the Martyr Day Shaheed Divas to honor and remember the brave hearts. Today, we will listen the saga of brave young martyrs Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru. Let's start. When India was trapped under British rule, three young men stood up: Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru. They fought Britishers with courage and gave their lives for us. They have sacrificed everything. This is their amazing story, a tale of bravery that still lights our way. So let's listen the saga of the brave hearts Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru. India, trapped under British rule, was suffering. The British controlled everything: our lives, our voice, or our economy. But three heroes refused to stay quiet, and they are Bhagat Singh, a dreamer with big idea; Sukhdev, a smart planner; and Rajguru, a bold fighter. Together they started a fire of hope and ignited our freedom struggle in a different way. Who were these brave young hearts? Our great martyr. The one is Bhagat Singh. He was young, of only 23 years of age, a great thinker who wrote powerful, inspiring words for everyone who love our country and fought bravely for freedom, and he had sacrificed everything to this nation, the great India. Sukhdev was clever associate of Bhagat Singh. He was brain behind their plans, and he remained always steady and strong to execute all missions. Rajguru was fearless and was ready to face any danger. His bravery had created fear among British officials. Now our brave young hearts were not just rebels. They want a free and better India for every Indian citizen. The fight for freedom begins, and in the year 1928, the great leader Sher Punjab Lala Lajpat Rai was hurt by British police when he was leading and protesting Simon Commission in Lahore. The brutal attack on brave leader was so severe that hurt caused by police lathi charge became fatal and he died. This made Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru very angry. They decided to act, and they took down a British officer, John Saunders, and shot him dead. This act was to show the world that Indian won't stay silent. It was not just revenge, it was a wake-up call for India. The turning part of story is the bomb that shocked the nation and world. On April 8, 1928, Bhagat Singh and his friend Batukeshwar Dutt threw bombs in a big British meeting hall, the Central Assembly of Delhi. These bombs were thrown in an empty position with an objective not to hurt people, but to make a loud noise to convey message for India's freedom to deaf British government. They shouted, "Inqilab Zindabad! Inqilab Zindabad! Long live the revolution!" They dropped papers telling everyone to fight for justice and for Indian freedom. Then they let themselves get caught because they knew that it will raise the issue of Indian freedom, and they were also ready to face anything for the sake of freedom struggle. Bhagat Singh and his friends were put in jail, and a court proceedings against them also started. While in jail, Bhagat Singh didn't give up. He read various notable books with great devotion and zeal for nation building, and he wrote down his thoughts on all matters: social issues, political points, and for economic development of free India. He said, "Revolution is not made by bombs, and it is ideas which make a revolution." He believed we should think for ourselves and question everything, and with reasoning we can raise right temperament for nation building. He wrote, "Life is about fighting for what is right." He wanted a country which is ruled by socialist pattern where everyone is equal, no disparity of caste, religion, or economic conditions. In that country, no one is rich, no one is poor, and there exists just fairness in all dealing. His words, packed with patriotism and socialism, still push us to be better. And here comes the last sacrifice. On 23rd March, year 1931, Bhagat Singh, whose age was just 23, Sukhdev, aged only 24, and Rajguru, the youngest among three, with an age of 22, were sentenced to death by British during their last sacrifice. Facing the gallows, these fearless young martyrs walked forward with smiles and chanting cries for freedom, Inqilab Zindabad, and with immense courage and pride, they laid down their lives for our nation, leaving behind a powerful lesson to love and cherish our beautiful country, India. Bhagat Singh had said, live life with a purpose. These young martyrs gave their lives so we could live free. In fact, during that struggle, they didn't lose even when they sentenced to death because they won our hearts forever. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru didn't just free us, they showed us how to live. Bhagat Singh said, freedom belongs to everyone. Their bravery and ideas ask us, will we stand up for what is right? Will we make India the place for that they dreamed of? Let's keep their spirit alive. Inqilab Zindabad. If their story touches you, please do share it with your friends to honor our heroes. Let's live their dreams and keep their fight going. Thank you for watching.